welcome back to my channel. My name is Mime and I can't believe it's Christmas. Oh my god, I can't wait, you guys. I can't wait for the presents, but today we're not thinking about presents. Remember that. We're doing Christmas cards, and these Christmas cards are really cute, just to say, and you can make it for your loved ones, your nan, your friends. You can even put in your stocking. Yeah, that's how cool they are. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these cool Christmas cards. So guys, what you'd need for this simple, easy project is coloured card. Well, I chose silver because I thought it was very Christmassy themed, yeah. Well, I just love silver, but you can choose any colour. That's what I love about it. You can choose any colour you love, yeah. So I'm going to be using these stencils. You can, in England, you can get this from Poundland or any 99p store. And also, if you're watching this and you're from a different country or America, you can get this from probably like Walmart or any other shopping centre. Yeah. Oh my god, I love it so much. I have here glitter pens. You can get this from any store or any craft and art store. I specifically got this from Smiggle, my favourite stationery store. Yes, love it. You also need glue stick. Everybody can get this. Some glitter. You can get this. You know where to find it. You know. I know you know. And also pens. So let's get started. Just in case you don't know where to get glitter from, you can get it from any crafts and art store. I got mine from Poundland just for £1. But in America you can get it from Walmart or any other store. So the first step is to fold the paper. So you're just going to fold it in half. Make sure the corners are matching. So once it's folded like this, just to make sure the silver bit has to be at the outside. So if you want to if you have purple paper and it has white there, just as an example, you would make sure the purple is facing in at the outside. So guys, now we're going to put this aside and we're going to decorate our stencils. So in this packet you can get all these stencils, but for now we're going to be using this one. See guys, this is a snowman, and this snowman will fit perfectly well with my silver background. Now guys, it's time to decorate our snowman! Well, my first step, you can do any steps you want, but the first step for me is to put on the giggly eyes, so I know where I'm drawing. And coloured eyes for this one. You can use however you want and how many you want. I'm just going to glue this with my glue stick, the giggly eyes down. And there you have it. So the second step now is I want to put on the pom-poms of the snowman. Now I've positioned the pom-poms in the place I want it. So here I put the orange pom-pom as its nose, then the red, green and red pom-poms as its buttons. So all that's left to do now is to stick them down. So now that's done, I'm going to be adding a big smile to my happy snowman. So now I'm going to be using my pink shimmer pen to draw its smile. You can draw the smile as thick as you want so that the shimmer can show. Speaking of shimmer, I think my snowman could do a bit of shimmer on his hat, just like my bow. So guys, to make this a bit less messier, I'm going to add a piece of scrap paper so I can easily throw away the glitter. the first step is to get your glue stick or glue. Then you want to glue where the glitter is going to go. So where I put the glue, I'm going to be putting the red glitter. So once that's done, you're going to dab off the excess glitter. So I'm going to be adding the silver glitter right where that dot is, as you can see here. So you're going to get your glue and glue it. So you're going to get your silver glitter and do what you have to do. Just use your finger if there's a little bit of corners that need a bit of glitter. So you're going to dab off the extra glitter, and there you have it. The glitter's all done. Look how pretty he looks. So the finishing touch of this snowman is its arms! Yay! So I'm going to get our glue again, and you're going to maybe you can glue this a bit easier. You can glue down the pipe cleaner to the back of the snowman's body. For this snowman, I wanted to be saying hi, so I'm going to be adding his arms up. And there you have it. The snowman's completed, so all that's left to do is stick it onto the card. So you're going to glue the back of the snowman. Once you've glued the back of the snowman, you're going to stick it onto the card. And there you have it, the snowman card. So now you have to leave it to dry for maybe 15 minutes, and then the last step is to write a message to whoever you love. Your nan, your granddad, your dad, your mom, your friend, your sister, your brother, and then there you have it, the perfect card. And there you have it, the wonderful Christmas card. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And also, I'd love to see you guys, your recreation of this card, and have a very, very Merry Christmas. Bye guys! To dab off the excess glitter. So I'm going to be putting,